What is going on, you guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, I'm so excited to share with you how I earned $1.58 through my EQ Bank savings account. And I'm totally joking there, but in all seriousness, this is a follow-up video to our video that we did last month where we popped in $1,000. And as we can see, fast forward a month now, we have got our first interest payment. As we know, by watching the previous video, the payments on EQ Bank, you're earning a 2.30% annual rate. However, they are paid out monthly. So this is my first payment here of $1.58. And what I'm going to be showing you in this video is actually how to withdraw this money. We'll see the process. So between the first two videos that we have on the channel, we have an overview, we have the money in the account. Now we fast forward to today. We've got some money built up in our account, and now we're going to do the process of bringing it back over. And obviously this is a small sample size, but it's more or less to show the procedures and get familiar with how this platform works. So to transfer money back in the account, the same way that you would put money in, we're going to go ahead here and click Move Money Between Accounts. I've already got my information populated in this platform from when I signed up, and it gets you to link up your, I did my CIBC and my TD account, but let's go ahead and click From. This is our account with $1,000 in it. We're going to obviously send this to I'd like to send it to my TD account, and I'm going to go for the entire amount of $1,158. The date we already have set populated for Monday. It's a Saturday now, so it'll be a one-time thing, not going to be hitting any recurring transfers. And very simply, I'm going to click Next. Please allow 2 to 3 business days for your funds to be transferred, and then transfer the payment. We'll give it a second to load up over here. But just to go back to the dashboard and share with you, but back on the dashboard here, just to show how very simple that process was. I mean, literally in a matter of, that was probably 30 to 45 seconds worth, I'm able to send money back and forth into my high interest savings account, back into my bank account. Again, this is the simplicity and the layout and the functionality of EQ Bank is the reasons why this is my personal favorite high interest savings account in Canada. If this is your first time watching or hearing about EQ Bank, go back and watch the previous video. I'll put a link to that video down in the description. All in all, I got nothing but good things to say. Very simple. I've said that a number of times, but that's really the process of simply earning some interest on your savings. And you can just imagine the more money you're willing to pop in here, well, of course, you'd be earning better and better amounts just for letting your money sit in cash, earning 2.30% interest rate. If you enjoyed the quick follow-up video, that's really all this was. Feel free to leave a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to hear more, or if you'd like to see more videos on EQ Bank in terms of some of the other functionalities, maybe even something like buying a GIC. If that's interesting to you, leave a comment, let me know down below. As always, if you're a beginner to the stock market, you can learn more about our investing academy. That'll be down below this video as well. But as always, I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.